Have you ever pondered on the significant role you play in shaping your family's future? Caring for your loved ones is a responsibility that requires commitment, patience, and understanding. But how can one ensure they're doing enough? Firstly, let's delve into the importance of quality time. Spending precious moments with your family isn't just about being physically present. It's about actively engaging in activities that everyone enjoys, creating an environment of love and bonding that strengthens your ties. Next, we turn our attention to the cornerstone of a thriving family: healthy living. A balanced diet and regular exercise aren't just individual necessities, they're a family affair. Encouraging healthy habits at home not only promotes physical well-being, but also fosters a sense of collective responsibility. Open and honest communication is another key element in caring for your family. It's the foundation of trust, and it's vital for resolving issues, expressing feelings, and understanding each other better. On this journey of caring, don't forget about the caregivers. Self-care is crucial in maintaining the physical and mental energy necessary to look after others. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Celebrating milestones, no matter how big or small, is another beautiful way to care for your family. These celebrations create happy memories that will last a lifetime, reinforcing the familial bonds. Conflict is unavoidable in any relationship, but how we handle it can make all the difference. Effective conflict resolution fosters a peaceful and harmonious environment, ensuring everyone feels heard and respected. Financial planning is often overlooked, but is essential in caring for your family. A sound financial strategy ensures stability and security, preventing undue stress and worry. Parenting, undoubtedly, is one of the most challenging aspects of family life. Effective parenting techniques and strategies can help raise happy, healthy, and well-adjusted children. Family traditions are the glue that binds families together. They are a source of identity, a way to celebrate heritage, and a means to create lasting memories. Lastly, supporting each other through thick and thin is what family is all about. Be there for each family member, offering a listening ear, a comforting word, or a helping hand when needed. In conclusion, caring for your family is a multifaceted endeavor involving quality time, healthy living, good communication, self-care, celebration of milestones, conflict resolution, financial planning, effective parenting, family traditions, and mutual support. These 10 components, when combined, create a nurturing environment where every family member can thrive.